Hello, and go. Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm going to speak about Elon Musk, and he is a physics businessman, inventor, and tycoon of South Africa origin. He burned in Pretoria on June 28, 1921. He had a difficult childhood. His classmates subject him to bullying, but that didn't stop him. When his parents divorced, he lived in Canada with his mother and studied business administration and physics at the University of Pennsylvania. After that, dedicated himself to the internet. He has created world-renowned companies, carried out a project of making commercial trip to space, has promised bring human beings to the planet Mars before the year 2013. The companies it has are SIP2, focused on hosting and developing websites for media companies. PayPal, a company that was dedicated to controlling financial service and payment through the network. And Tesla, company that created the first functional electric car. In conclusion, I think it's very important to focus on what we are passionate about. Thank you. Bye teacher.